and marigolds, which is depicted by citrus. These are all natural semi-precious stones which come from across the world, and we've crafted them with some very intricate techniques using gold, using bezels which are very sculpted and very interesting in body. So the kadigari of Tanishq is very alive in the piece, but it is for the modern woman to wear it and style it with her ethno-contemporary look, just like you and even us. So yeah.
Yeah, very beautifully. And I was surprised because I must share with all of you, in India, I think there are 2-3 different kinds of natural gemstones which are very popular. You know, the red, the emeralds, the rubies, etc. But in our collection, we have 14 different kinds of gemstones. Just imagine, I didn't even know that many existed. Yeah, 14 different kinds of natural gemstones. And all of them, beauty of it is, some of them are faceted because of which they sparkle. Right? Some of them are carved because every gemstone has a story to tell. And then some of these gemstones, I think there is a term called cabochons, which are polished.
And they bring out a lot of light and luster in the pieces, and it gives a very modern look. Generally, faceted stones are used with diamonds, but over here, they really bring out the ethno beauty that we wanted to, bring with our collection. So thanks for covering that, Becky. There are almost 315 varieties of semi-precious stones, which we will possibly be using in the coming collections and bringing to really, enthrall our customers.
Yeah, that's exciting also because while Tanishq, it feels like with the natural gemstones that Tanishq is launching, we are expanding the repertoire for our women from gold to diamond, now to these colored gemstones, which are natural, and it is backed by the credibility of Tanishq, right? Because very often in India, what happens is a lot of people are a little worried about buying gemstones because they don't know the origin, or they don't know whether or not what they're getting and the price that they're paying, is it right, not right. They also don't know if it will hold value. But at Tanishq, what happens is every gemstone will be natural. Every gemstone can get exchanged, no matter how many years you decide to keep it and then decide to come back and take another one.